back to my channel. In this DIY, I'm going to show you how to take these beautiful iridescent frames from Dollar Tree and turn them into a beautiful jewelry box that's perfect for gift giving. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is go ahead and remove the plastic off each piece. Okay, in all I have 6 frames. I'm going to leave one inside the frame for now and then go ahead and take these apart. Now on the back you'll see some of the tabs. We need to remove those tabs as well. Okay, so I took all frames apart. So now I'm going to take one frame and the back of one frame and remove this. Now, so what we are building is a jewelry box. And this is going to be the bottom. Okay, here I have some felt. And what I want to do is just go ahead and glue some felt onto the inside of this. So now I'm just going to cut it out. Okay, I'm back and I'm done cutting the felt. As you can see, it's not perfect, and that's okay. Just use the sharpest pair of scissors that you have. So now I'm going to take my new favorite glue, guys. I'm really loving this. And I'm just going to put some right around the frame, along with some hot glue. This is going to be our bottom, and this is going to be the inside of the bottom. Now I might come back in later and reinforce this just to make it a little bit stronger. I'm going to glue 5 frames together in all. The shiny side will be facing down. Alright, so let's get started. Same thing again. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up all my drips and let this completely dry and then come back. Now this piece is going to be our lid. So again, I'm going to do the same thing, take it apart, and now I'm going to glue the glass back in. Again, I'm going to take my new clear glue and put it right inside the frame. So I'm going to let the glue set up on all of these. Come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back and the glue has completely dried. This is going to be the lid to my jewelry box. And as you can see, it slides around and there's no hinges to hold the lid on. So what I'm going to do is take some popsicle sticks and glue them right inside here, and that'll lock this in place. And put one here, here. I'm going to put one on each side. So I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue along with my glue and glue them down. So that's how that looks. That's going to prevent the lid from sliding around. Just like so. So now it'll stay on. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. This is what it looks like on the inside. Now that's fine if you want to leave it like that. You could actually go in with some bling wrap and put it right inside each one of those grooves. You can add some lighting in there if you want to. Okay, so I took a couple of the backs, measured one against the jewelry box, and then cut them down to the 2 sizes that I needed. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some felt to these, just like I did the bottom piece. Come back and then put them in place. So now I'm going to install them inside my jewelry box. And just like that, we have a lining for our jewelry box. Now I'll take my glass, clean it, come back and move on to the next step. Moving back to the lid, I have some of these gemstones that I picked up at Walmart, and they have the iridescence about them as well. So now I'm going to take some of the medium-sized stones and decorate the outside of the frame. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these larger rhinestones right around the glass. Okay, next I have this beautiful ornament that I found at Hobby Lobby. And as soon as I seen it, I knew I wanted to put this on top of a jewelry box. So I'm going to put this right in the center. And I think I'm going to angle it like that. So I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue and put a small amount on the base of the swan. And let that completely dry. So now I'm going to take some strips of bling and put it on the lines around my jewelry box. I'm only going to attach one strip on camera, then I'll go off camera and do the rest and then come back. Okay, I'm done adding the bling, and this is what it looks like. I didn't put any on the back. So now what I'm going to do is just flip this over and take 4 of my acrylic gems and glue them right here. And these will be our feet. So now I'm going to let the glue set up on both pieces. Then I'll clean it up, come back and let you see what it looks like. And let me also mention that this is part 1 of a 3-part series where I'll be using these frames to create 3 different DIYs. So stay tuned. And as promised, here's my beautiful Dollar Tree jewelry box made from Dollar Tree frames. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's glam and it's blingy, and definitely worthy of giving as a Christmas gift. So if you're looking to save some money this holiday season, then keep this DIY in mind. And remember, you can personalize this to your liking, and you can also recreate this jewelry box using other frames as well. It's totally up to you. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Happy holidays, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.